Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 space agencies in the world. Space exploration has captivated humanity for decades. From manned missions to interstellar discoveries, space agencies shape our future. We've sent humans to the moon, landed rovers on Mars, and have telescopes that peer billions of years into the past. These feats are a testament to human ingenuity. Let's dive into the top 10 space agencies leading our journey beyond Earth. But before we start off, let me remind you that this list is not in any specific order and is completely random. Kicking off our list is India's ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is known for being cost-effective and efficient. Their Mars orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, made history in 2014. ISRO reached Mars on its first attempt. They aim for more ambitious goals like Chandrayaan-3. ISRO is a major player in the global space arena. At number 9 is JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Japan is known for precision engineering, and JAXA brings that same dedication to the final frontier. Their Hayabusa missions were groundbreaking. They retrieved samples from an asteroid and brought them back to Earth. JAXA's Kaibo module on the ISS is vital for research in microgravity. With precision, innovation, and collaboration, JAXA exemplifies Japan's technological prowess. Coming in at number 8 is the UK Space Agency, or UKSA. While it may be smaller compared to some giants, UKSA is a force to be reckoned with. The UK shines in small satellite technology, leaders in developing compact spacecraft, revolutionizing Earth observation and telecommunications. The UK Space Agency shows that even a small nation can make giant leaps in space exploration. At number 7, we have CNES, the National Centre for Space Studies from France. Established in 1961, CNES has been a driving force in space exploration for over 6 decades. They played a pivotal role in developing the Ariane rocket series, which has become a workhorse for launching satellites into orbit. CNES's expertise extends far beyond launch vehicles. They've been pioneers in Earth observation, developing satellites that monitor our planet's health, track climate change, and provide invaluable data for scientists around the world. CNS is a key player in the European Space Agency, working alongside other European nations to advance our collective understanding of space. With a legacy of innovation and international collaboration, CNES continues to be a major player in the global space arena. Taking the number 6 spot is ROSCOSMOS, the Russian Federal Space Agency. Russia has a storied history in space. They launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite. Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space in 1961. Today, Roscosmos is still a major space player. They manage Soyuz spacecraft for ISS missions. Roscosmos plans to build their own space station. Landing right in the middle of our list at number 5 is the European Space Agency, or ESA. ESA exemplifies what nations can achieve together in space exploration. Their Ariane 5 rocket is key in deploying satellites. They've developed the Galileo satellite navigation system and the Copernicus Earth observation program. ESA collaborates on international missions, exploring Mars and studying the Sun. With a unified front, ESA pushes space exploration boundaries. Coming in at number 4 is CNSA, the China National Space Administration. Over the past 2 decades, China has invested heavily in its space program, and the results have been nothing short of astounding. Their Chang'e missions have been remarkably successful, with the Chang'e 4 mission achieving the first ever soft landing on the far side of the moon. In 2021, China joined the elite club of nations to successfully land a rover on the Red Planet with their Tianwen-1 mission. CNSA is currently constructing their own space station, Tiangong, which will serve as a platform for scientific research and a symbol of China's long-term commitment to space exploration. With rapid advancements and ambitious goals, CNSA is a major player in the global space arena. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is DLR, the German Aerospace Center. DLR is the quiet giant of space innovation, consistently delivering groundbreaking technologies and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One area where DLR truly excels is robotics. They've developed some of the most advanced robotic systems in the world, including the robotic arm used on the International Space Station. DLR is also heavily involved in Mars research, playing a key role in developing instruments for several Mars missions, including the ExoMars program. Their expertise in planetary science and robotic exploration is highly sought after in the international space community. With a commitment to developing sustainable technologies for space, DLR continues to be a leader in space innovation. Is it any surprise that at number 2 we have NASA? Since its founding in 1958, NASA has been synonymous with space exploration. From the space race to the Apollo moon landings, NASA has pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity. Those iconic images of astronauts on the lunar surface are forever etched in our memory. NASA's story didn't end with Apollo. They've continued to explore our solar system and beyond. NASA is working on the Artemis program to return astronauts to the moon and pave the way for Mars. And finally, at number 1, we have SpaceX. SpaceX has single-handedly revolutionized the space industry in a way that we haven't seen since the early days of the space race. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX set out with a bold vision to make spaceflight more affordable and accessible. They've done just that with their Falcon 9 reusable rockets, dramatically reducing the cost of launching payloads into orbit. SpaceX's ambitions extend far beyond Earth orbit. They've developed the Dragon spacecraft and are currently working on Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. With their sights set on Mars and beyond, SpaceX is leading the charge in commercial space travel, making it clear that the future of space exploration will be driven by both public and private endeavors. So there you have it, the top 10 space agencies and organizations leading the charge into the cosmos. From government agencies with decades of experience to private companies pushing the boundaries of innovation, these organizations are shaping the future of space exploration. Each of them plays a critical role in advancing humanity's knowledge and capabilities in space. With new missions launching every year, the future of space exploration has never been brighter. We're on the verge of a new era of discovery, with plans to return to the moon, send humans to Mars, and unravel the mysteries of the universe. Let us know which space agency or mission excites you the most in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more space-related content.